This is Kabul in Afghanistan. Very, very chaotic. We had the bird market, and I think I'm blending in pretty well here in my Afghan outfit or something. But anyway, let's go.
Oh my goodness, it's chaotic. Your eyes very beautiful.
Thank you, bro. Alright guys, it's time to check out the bird market here in Kabul. I will say I feel less anxious than last time. When I came here to these crowds, it was a very different feeling. Assalamu alaikum. This is the crowd here in the background. Okay, here it starts. See how very friendly people. You got a bird?
Yeah, I got it.
What's the name of the bird? Bird. Yeah.
Beautiful bird. What are you saying?
How many birds you have? How many birds do you have?
I about 10.
12? Oh, nice bird. So Afghans, they love birds. I'm from Denmark. Denmark, yeah.
Yeah, Afghanistan is a good country.
Afghanistan, yeah. Thank you, my friend. All right, so we are strolling around the bird market here in Kabul. It's a lot of action. All kind of street sellers.
Cheers.
I'm touching a bird. Tashikar. Manana. Yeah, I made it, my first friend in Kabul. Okay, so it's getting crowded now. Seems like everyone is getting some birds here today. On a Friday, the bird market is the most crowded place. Assalamu alaikum. It's the most crowded place because most of the shops, like 90% of the shops, are closed. So everyone just come here to the bird market and collect some birds. Assalamu alaikum. Choro resti. Oh, nice. Oh. So apparently you can also buy rabbits. So many options here. So I was walking at this exact spot 6 years ago, feeling way more anxious than now. But now it feels good. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. So yeah, as you can see, very friendly people here in Afghanistan. Oh yeah. Assalamu alaikum. So we already got a crowd of kids following us here. So many birds. Assalamu alaikum. Manana. See here the good guys here. Everyone is interested in buying birds. It's all about birds here in Kabul. So here we are. Oh, nice. Assalamu alaikum. My good friend. Manana. Chorodesti. So I need to practice a little bit my language skills here in Afghanistan. But Afghanistan is beautiful. Very good country. Very good. Wow. Best place to be on a Friday in Kabul. So bro, how is it here?
Oh my goodness, it's chaotic.
Full of people.
Yeah.
What are you getting, bro?
tasty. Very tasty.
Chororesti.
خوب هستی بخیر هستی سلامت هستی
Manana.
خوش اومدی.
Tashikar. It's my new friend here.
خوش اومدی. چه حال داری؟ How are you? چه حال داری؟ How are you?
And I'll say I'm good. How do I say I'm good?
من خوب هستم. I'm good.
Mam Khubeso.
سلامت
It's my good friend here from Afghanistan, Kabul. Beautiful city. Welcome.
tasty.
What is it?
It is kishmishao.
Kishmishao.
بله.
It's good in Afghanistan.
خالص افغانی.
Ah,
Very good. Tasty.
very tasty. So you have to try all the. Can I try a little?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the risk. How much?
Full nami.
Oh, really? Just a little bit, my friend. A little bit. All right, let's try it. There you go. Very good. Very good. Manina koştum.
Noşican.
Nosijan. Wow. So it has like nuts inside.
Kishmishal.
Kishmishal. Okay. Delicious.
Good and tasty.
Yes.
Very lovely. It is enough.
Is it enough?
My English is good, but not very well.
Your English is good.
But not
Very, very good. What's your name, my friend?
My name is Muhammad.
Oh, Mohammed.
Yes.
How do you say nice to meet you?
Me too.
Me too.
Yes.
Thank you, my man. Thank you, Mohammed. Tokodai, Baman.
Khudafez.
Khodafis. Wow, very friendly people here in Afghanistan. So now we will see where the rest of the group they are there.
Hey guys.
How are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's
How
your
is?
name?
My name is Gustavo. What's your name?
How are you?
Rahman.
Yes.
Nice to meet
From
you.
Brazil.
I'm from Denmark.
Denmark.
Yeah, I like Afghanistan a lot.
Or you come for sightseeing?
Yeah, come for sightseeing.
Afghanistan is
Beautiful
good
places.
country for sightseeing.
Very good country.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Good time. See you.
Thank you so much, guys. Nice to meet you. See here. Afghanistan. Khudafis.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, my friend. How are you? What's your name? What? Okay, good.
Are you fine? How are you?
How are you, my friend? Nice to meet you. Oh, sorry, man. Okay. So he just slapped me and said hi.
Where are you
Afghanistan.
from?
I'm from Denmark.
What?
Denmark? Small country.
Yes.
Okay, bro. Me, an Afghan man, and a bird. Good. Thank you. Teşekkür.
How is
Teşekkür.
Afghanistan
Teşekkür.
country?
I like. It's beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Kabul, Masa Sharif, Bamiyan, Herat.
Where are you going?
I look. I see. I try the food. Kebab. Thank you very much, Manana. Teşekkür.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So,
Look at this owl.
it's an owl. Oh, that's an owl.
Yes.
Baby, it's a baby owl.
Baby owl. This is fascinating. Baby owl in the streets of Kabul.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So it's hard to beat the Afghan hospitality. It's very, very hard. You just have to enjoy. Chororesti. Manana, teşekkür. Teşekkür. How are you, my friend? Kabul. Obam. We have some bargains being made. How are you, my friend? Yeah, I'm very fine. Nice to meet you.
How is your health today? Nice to meet you too.
Oh, nice to What's your name?
My name is Ubaidullah. You can call me Pike.
Pike.
Yeah.
Oh, Pike. Nice to meet you, Pike.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you. What's your favorite country?
My favorite country. I'm from Afghanistan. I live in Kabul.
So you like Afghanistan?
Yes, I like
Great, great, great. Me too, me too.
Meet you.
So yeah, wow. You know, you make a lot of friends here in Afghanistan. So super nice to walk around. The birds here. We have all types of birds. Chororesti, chororesti, chororesti. Teşekkür. Very nice to see you. Beautiful beard. I like. Beard bit. I want. Yeah. I want the beard. So, oh, there's a massive cock in the streets of Kabul. Massive cock. Wow. We gotta keep on moving. Okay.
So where's Vasilius?
All right, let's go. Salam alaikum. Salam. Okay. Salam alaikum.
So everyone's here.
Axe, okay. Makbul? Manana. Teşekkür manana. Salam. Chororesti. Huh? So now we are at the most picturesque street here in Afghanistan. This is my favorite street in Kabul because we have, it's so beautiful. See here? Chororesti. 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 Hala. Chororesti. Manana. Teşekkür. All right. There's a lot of traffic right now, but we are making our way through. He's a good guy, huh?
You have to ask, Mish Ax Birigin.
Salam alaikum, guys. Chororesti. Teşekkür.
Mega Miki though.
Bata.
I'm so excited.
It's cool, right?
My picture charge for you.
How much you charge? $100?
Maybe.
Dostum.
Marshal Dostum.
Marshal Gastam. Thank you. See, what's your name? Nasrat. Nasrat from Kabul, Afghanistan. Thank you, my friend.
I open my shop.
Thank you. I'll follow my crew. How are you? Very fine. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Romy.
Chororesti. Kabul. Denmark. Yeah, I like Kabul.
For what you coming here?
I look beautiful. Yeah. I like.
Your eyes very beautiful.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Wow, just told my eyes were beautiful. That's great. Hello, my friend. Hello. This is my friend in Afghanistan. Teşekkür. Chororesti.
Yes.
Manana.
Where from?
Denmark. Yeah. Afghanistan. Salam alaikum. Chororesti. All right. How are you, man? Hello, my friend. Nice hair. All right. Chororesti. I love how chill Afghans are. They're always like really chill, like no stress. It's just if you see people walking here, they walk like really slow, very slow paced, but still super energetic. Salam alaikum. It's so cool. Chororesti. Salam alaikum. Chororesti. How are you? Are you from Kabul? Good. What's your name?
My name is Nidhi.
Yeah. Oh. Afghanistan. Yeah, Afghanistan. So they say Afghanistan. Wow. Very good. Super cool.
You face like Afghani.
Yeah, me?
Afghani boy.
You say?
Kabul.
What did you say? I look what?
You face like Afghani.
I look like Afghani? Thank you. Afghani, man? Good looking. Good, handsome, yeah. Me, I'm America. I know, America. Yeah. I like Afghanistan.
I'll go back.
Yes.
Me, Europe. Denmark.
Yeah.
Is Europe okay?
No.
Teşekkür.
You say back home.
Yeah. Back home. But here,
Visit.
Here it's good. There's no
Little
problem.
bit.
Yeah, a little bit good. Teşekkür. All right, so the street is quite long. We just keep on walking. A lot of action, lots of unique looks, lots of charisma. You literally have so much diversity in the way people look here. It's really fascinating. So yeah. Chororesti. Manana. Teşekkür. So, oh yeah. Bro, what's up? Can you make like one video? So we are just having fun. And this is my very good friend. What's your name?
John Khan.
John Khan. My name, Mustafa. Yes. Let's go. My friend, how are you? What's your name? Churresti. Manana Tishka. Okay. Street food of Afghanistan. It's good. It's my little friend here. He's a good guy. Churresti, how are you? What's your name? Very friendly guy. Good to meet you.
Hey.
Hushamari Kabul. Hushamari Kabul.
Omo Shamari Ba Kabul.
Okay. So you can also buy carpets, you can buy knives, books.
MashaAllah.
Mashallah.
MashaAllah.
Beautiful carpets. Afghanistan has some of the most beautiful carpets. Manana Tashika.
Mashallah, you speak
A little bit.
very good.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. How is it to walk around here?
Is special.
Special
That is the
experience.
word.
Special, right?
It's very different. I'm speechless.
You speak it right.
Oh my God.
Sam, what do you think about walking around Kabul?
Honestly, I feel like it's just as exciting for us as it is for them. Everybody's looking in a very positive way. Some of them really want to, show you what they have to offer, and feels very welcoming. Feels very peaceful. You can feel the energy that is really, really a fun place to be in.
Cool. First impressions of Kabul?
Busy. Life is still going on. People are doing what they have to do.
True.
Yeah.
Lots of
First
sellers.
impression. Yeah.
First impression.
Yep.
We are still alive on day 2, so
No problem.
no problem. Everyone thinks he's an Afghan,
Oh, I'm glad. I'm glad. Afghan men are notoriously good looking.
I guess. Salam alaikum. Tashakkur. Hi, how are you? How are you? How are you? Welcome Afghanistan. Good night. Good night. He told me good night in the middle of the day. Churresti. Salam alaikum. How are you? Thank you. Thank you. Tashakkur. Churresti. So you can. Hello, my friend. Hello. How is Kabul?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
How are you?
Churresti. Manana Tashakkur. Tashakkur. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Okay. All right. So that was a really good experience to be back at the bird market. Churresti. Tashakkur. Tashakkur.
I mean, life goes on.
Life goes on in Afghanistan 2024.
Afghan
Soap. Oh, Afghan soap.
Oh, and this is chocolate, the plates, the pots.
Also, the streets are really, really clean here. Let's go. Now we just need to survive the traffic. What an experience to be back at the bird market. Amazing. Manana.
Careful, careful, careful. Careful, I'm telling careful. I'm saying careful.
You almost got killed in Kabul.
Imagine, now it would be special, eh?
You're all your life.
How can you